How to create templates to generate practitioner schedules. Log in to the system as a clinic or branch manager. Go to the Settings section and select the Scheduling Templates element of the scheduling item. Launch the creation of a new schedule template. Fill in the form, add a title, select branch, department, or event practitioner if you want to create a template for a specific person. Click the Use Default Values button to automatically populate the template with predefined values such as time slot duration, start time, and end time of the business day. You may also define custom values, including separate values for weekends. Now you have created the schedule template. To generate a schedule based on a schedule template, please select the Manage Scheduling item of the scheduling element. First, select the branch, department, and provider you want to create a schedule for. Then click the Create a Schedule button. The displayed form will already be filled with the selected provider's data. Select the template you want to use. Click the Enable Auto Generation slider. The system will automatically generate a schedule as a recurrent task. You may also define the date interval for which the schedule will be generated. The easiest way is to generate a weekly schedule starting from a selected date. Simply enter the duration in weeks for the period you want to generate the schedule. Click the Generate button, and the system will create the schedule. Green-colored time slots will appear. As a manager, you may modify the type or status of specific time slots. Just click on a time slot and make the required changes. If you want to change a provider's schedule, you must first clear the period that already has a generated schedule. Click the Clear Schedule button and select the period you want to remove. It is important to note that the system will not allow you to clear a schedule if at least one visit is already planned within it. You must reschedule those visits before clearing. Thank you so much! Intellia, data that heals, insights that empower.